and keep it real. This is how we do it. Yeah. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. What you say, Robert? Yeah. What? Yeah. What? What? What you say? Now, Robin, what do you say? Show your love, show your love. Oh, come on now. Come over here, guys. Ekko, Dyda, come over here. Oh my goodness, you wanna see his dad? Let me call their dads right now. Ekko, Dyda, let's come on, let's do this. What, show your love. Let's go, Dyda. What? Ekko, sign her. Gonna fall. Yeah, they're gonna fall. Upon us, kids, what is on it? I'm gonna fall. Yeah, they're gonna fall. Upon us, kids, what is on it? Gonna fall. Yeah, they're gonna fall. Move awards winner, Whopping Duria, Ekko, Dyda. Let's do this now. All right. You wanna tell people your names? Your name?
My name is Keep It Real.
Keep it real. Yeah, welcome. So how do you greet people? Keep it real. Yeah, babe. Yeah, I get you. That's my man right there. Keep it real. What's your name, sir?
I'm blessed.
You're blessed. Wow, just like my director, Jay Blessing. So you're blessed. How's life? How have you been?
Fine.
Okay, great to see you. How's music?
It's really dope.
It's dope, yeah? Yeah. Because how old are you now?
5.
5. Wow. And so, when I know the challenges with music, so when did you start your music career?
We'll start singing so many days.
So many years ago? Wow. There must be many. Wow. Great. So, who teaches you how to sing? Who taught you how to sing? Who inspired you to start the music career before you recorded?
My daddy just told me that when he said a song and then he called me, come and say that verse, and then when I did that, I started to record.
Wow. So how many songs have you recorded?
2.
You've recorded 2 songs. And so this year, are you planning to do more songs?
More songs. If my daddy writes for me, I say the words. After that, when I record, I do the video.
I know it's a bit early to ask, but I know you have a lot of requests. Are you thinking of doing any collabo soon?
Every day, there was just kind of guy who wanted to do a collabo with me.
Wow. So everybody wants to do a collabo with you?
Yeah, they just told my dad that.
Yeah.
can they do a collab with me? And then I was thinking like, do it.
You are like,
so I was like this, and then I was just sure, and then I said, yes, we can just do the collabo.
all right. And so he is your dancer?
He's just my hype man.
Schools have opened. So you go to school?
Nope. I go I'm homeschooling.
You're homeschooling. So your father is your, like, teacher, headmaster, stuff like that?
He's not my teacher. Him is an artist, so...
Oh, he's just an artist?
Yes. Our teacher is called Twitter.
We need to have a word. Mama yako ashaona vile unalea watoto? Anasemaga aje?
Akodi sawa.
Wow. So ulijua wako talented lini? Because I mean wangu nimejaribu, but how? Because a lot of parents are like, wangu, how come? So how did you know? Am they following up after you?
Acha niseme grace ya God sufficient.
Yeah.
Juu kipindi akiwa 6 months old, tulikuwa tunasikia hewa kwa jirani.
Yeah.
Unaona venye na move. Kuna venye nenda on beat.
Yeah.
Na juu hata muziki bado
6 months.
6 months old. 6 months old mtoi kwa maparo wako hapa najua. Mnajua yote bado mtoi aji kukaa. Anataka hivi anadunda.
Wangu sasa hiyo bado ananyonya. Sasa ndio nashindwa 6 months wako ana move.
By the time alifika 2 years unapata kale ka bulb kamechapa mmekaeka hapo chini mnafaa kukatupa mnapata ameshika kama mic. Ameanza kufanya mikono hivi nayo. So by the time ilikuwa inafika 3 years tulikuwa zile za sasa acha tuanze kuenda tu show pamoja. Kuenda show I think akaanza kuona venye kunaenda nini, and with time by the time alikuwa 4 years nakumbuka nilikuwa napanda stage anataka kupanda na mimi. So last year tukasema acha tujaribu, Jumi wenda studio anataka pia kuingia kwa booth. Alafu tukasema hebu tuandike tuonekane anaweza fanya. The rest ni history, grace ni sufficient.
Maze uko blessed. Na maze, I think you really impact their lives. What wanatakuwa wasanii? You know, that's the dream of every parent. Wangu nimejaribu.
Kweli?
Niliuliza moja akaniambia, I want to be our school bus driver. Now, surely, unafikiria school fees. Can we try freestyle or something?